Welcome to the video demonstration of Big Monitoring Fabric Netflow generation service. Before going into BigMon Netflow demonstration, first let's look at some of the challenges with Netflow generation in production network. First, Netflow on production switches has significant impact on performance of the network device. This could possibly impact other network features and stability of the production network. Secondly, Netflow may not be supported on existing deployed data center switches and routers. And third, typically data center network would be multi-vendor and the NetFlow implementation and versioning would be different across vendor devices. It could be NetFlow version 5, version 9 or IPFix. So you would get inconsistent view of the network. On the other hand, BigMon NetFlow generation service alleviates existing production NetFlow generation challenges by providing simple, scalable, centralized way of generating NetFlow records without any impact to production network. BigMon service node is used to generate NetFlow records for all of your production network traffic and send them to one or more NetFlow collectors for analysis. With that, let me demonstrate BigMon NetFlow generation service. This is the topology I am using for the demo, where BigMon controller is the single pane of glass to manage both Big Monitoring Fabric and BigMon service node. As you connect the BigMon service node to BigMon Fabric, controller detects the service node and starts managing the service node for NetFlow service and policy configuration. In this demo, we'll be using Riverbed NetExpress as the NetFlow collector. This is a Big Monitoring Fabric controller web interface. BigMon Managed Service page provides details on all connected service nodes. In this setup, I have one BigMon service node which I will be using for NetFlow generation. BigMon NetFlow configuration is done in two simple steps. First, you define NetFlow service by providing the name, BigMon service node interface to be used, NetFlow collector IP, source IP, and port which needs to be used to send flow records from BigMon service node to NetFlow collector. As a second step, configure policy to send all traffic to NetFlow service. Use NetFlow generation as an action. Match on all traffic from all filter ports to be sent for NetFlow service. Use configured NetFlow service under manage service for this policy. Save the policy. Now BigMon service node generates NetFlow records and sends them to configured NetFlow collector. In this case, it is Riverbed NetExpress. Now if I look at the Riverbed NetExpress web interface, I would see a dashboard and reports which provides details on the traffic in your network based on the NetFlow records generated by BigMon service node. Main dashboard shows network traffic report based on application, hosts, application servers, and ports. Additional report can be generated based on NetFlow records, for example, to identify top talker application sessions between host pairs and more. In summary, BigMon NetFlow generation service alleviates existing production NetFlow generation challenges by providing simple, scalable, centralized way of generating NetFlow records without any impact to production network. BigMon service node is used to generate NetFlow records for all of your production network traffic and send them to one or more NetFlow collectors for analysis. Thank you.